Hi kids, today our subject maths, and today we are going to learn about our 8th lesson of math, and that is shapes. Today we are going to learn about some solid shapes. In today's lesson, we are studying about some 3D shapes, three-dimensional shapes. So let's start the lesson. Look at the following shape and read their names. Here some shapes pictures are given. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ shapes के picture दिए हुए दिख रहे हैं. All the shapes are in 3D, three-dimensional figures. First shape is cube. Second is cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. These are some shapes given here, and these are three-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional objects. Look at the objects and read. A Christmas cap has shape of cone. Christmas cap is a shaped cone shape. Then the ball is a sphere shape. Cricket ball, football is in a sphere shape. Moving to the next page, the coffee mug has shape of cylinder. This is the shape, looks like a cylinder shape. A dice has the shape of cube, and this oil tin has the shape of cuboid. These are some objects that are look like the shapes that we see in the first question. On the information of these shapes, you have to solve the assignment number 1. Match the shapes. Here are some pictures of objects are given, and here in this second column there are some shapes of match with the first column. So you have to decide which shape is looks like and match the pair. This dice is looks like cube shapes, that's why you have to match this. Next 3 objects you have to decide and then match it. Second question, color the object, use the same color for the object. Here are some objects are given. In the first column there are some objects, and in the second column the shapes related to the objects in the first column. You have to color the same object with the same type of a shape, and color both the shapes in a same color. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this assignment. In the second assignment, color the cubes green and cuboids orange. You have to find out the cube and cuboid and then color it with green with cubes and orange cuboids. Okay, there is a difference between cube and cuboid, very little difference. Cuboid and cubes are not alike, their length is different. Cube has all sides equal, but cuboid has front side equal. क्यूब जो होता है उसके सब साइड्स सेम होते हैं, उसका मेज़रमेंट सेम होता है, और जो क्यूबॉइड होते हैं उसकी लेंथ ज़्यादा होती है और विड्थ कम होती है. इस तरह से हम पहचान सकते हैं कि क्यूबॉइड कौन सा है और क्यूब कौन सा है. जहाँ पर आपको एवरी साइड एवरी लेंथ सेम दिखती है वो होता है क्यूब, और जहाँ पे लेंथ ज़्यादा दिखती है और विड्थ कम होती है वो होता है क्यूबॉइड. तो आपको यहाँ पे जो क्यूब शेप के ऑब्जेक्ट दिखाई देंगे वो ग्रीन कलर में कलर करने हैं, और जो क्यूबॉइड शेप के दिखेंगे वो ऑरेंज कलर में. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज़ अ क्यूबॉइड, ये क्यूबॉइड है तो आपको इसे ऑरेंज कलर करना है, और ये क्यूब है तो आपको इसे ग्रीन कलर करना है. ओके, सो बचे हुए ऑब्जेक्ट आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं विच इज़ अ क्यूब एंड विच इज़ क्यूबॉइड, and then color that with given color. In the second question, color comes cones yellow and spheres blue and cylinder red. You have to color the cone shape object in yellow color, cone shape object, and spheres in blue and cylinder in red. Okay. Moving to the next page, assignment number 3. Look at the shapes and cross the odd one. यहाँ पे आपको shapes कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट दिए गए हैं जिनमें से 3 शेप्स के 3 जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो एक जैसे से शेप्स के आपको दिखाई देंगे और एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो अलग शेप का होगा, तो वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. जैसे इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्पीकर, लाउड स्पीकर, this cap of cone shape and umbrella, all 3 objects of related to the cone shape, and this is cuboid, that's why you have to cross that object. In the next question, 1, 2 and 3 shapes are in cuboid and this is cone, so you have to cross that object. Next question, you have to solve which object is different shape and then cross that. In this way we finished our lesson shape solid shapes. You have to solve this lesson in the book and draw the all shapes, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder in your notebook in a big size. Okay.